When looking at this chart, obviously this is a gold trade, and when looking at the market, you know that when the market is doing making lower lows and lower highs, you should be looking for sales in the market, right? So obviously this chart was making lower lows and lower highs, so we're looking for just sales. Now the trigger, what made this trade a perfect trade, was as you can see from the top here, the market was moving down and slowly. It was moving very slowly down, and then all of a sudden this push to the downside over here, this candle here that made a big push to the downside, left a supply zone up here, meaning this was the place where the sellers got into the market, meaning there are others here that needs to be taken down. So it created a supply zone right there, right over here. All right, so when we go back here, waited for this chart, for this market to push down and make a retracement to the supply zone, and when we got here, we saw this rejection over here. I saw this rejection over here on this white candle, on this bullish candle, meaning okay, we are rejecting the zone and it's a sign to sell. When full margin in this trade, and as you can see right now, we are $900 in profit, almost triple the account, the initial balance. And I'm going to go ahead to close this trade, close the profit, close the trade up. Remember to take your profits and run.